Be strong.
This is how you enable closed captioning during your Zoom meetings. First thing you want to do is go to My Account in Zoom. From here, we're going to click on Settings on the far left-hand side of the screen. Next, we want to make sure that we're in the meeting settings. Scrolling down here or clicking on the In Meeting Advanced Settings. As you can see, there's a closed captioning option here. Enable that. Make sure it's blue. This allows the host to type closed captions or assign a participant or third-party device to add closed captions. There's another way to do it, though, where we can enable live transcription service to show transcript on the side panel in meeting. That means that everything you say is going to go from speech to text, and the students are going to be able to see this on their screens in the meeting. So let me show you how this looks. To do that, I'm going to open up a Zoom meeting, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So now that we've changed our settings, we can now go to our Zoom meeting here and we can click on the CC right here, Closed Captioning Live Transcript. You're going to see some options here, the same options that you saw in the settings earlier. We can assign someone to type. You can type it or a participant can type it. Use a third-party service, or you can enable auto-transcription. Let's click Enable Auto-Transcription. Now notice right here on the screen, everything I say is converting from speech to text. Your students are going to see the same thing. They will need to click on the CC option from their side to turn it on. Not every student will want to see it. So the students will need to turn this on from their end as well. Another cool thing that you can do with this is you can click on this little arrow button next to CC and view the full transcript as it changes. And it shows you when you said what. You can save this in your settings. You can save this to where at the end of each meeting, you can send this to your students that might require it.